AI is great for handling many different things. One of the things that's important to be handled all the time is spam. So if I go to my spam folder, I right now have only 7 messages. I try not to make it too large, so I just kill everything. Problem is sometimes you have something in there that you actually don't want to kill because it's actually something that accidentally wound up in spam. And so what you can do now is you just click on Gemini at the top. Basically, I asked it to determine if there's anything important and if I should take a look at it or not. When I look at this thing, it shows me that I have some stuff under newsletters recipes, which I don't really care anything about that in this particular instance because I know these are not newsletters I need. And then down here it's got political investment outreach again, couldn't care less. So that's the end of it basically. And then we have high suspicion. So it does a decent job and it'll flag things that are important so you can take a look at them and potentially deal with them. But for the most part, it's just a quick way to go through your spam, see if there's anything you want to do with any of them, and then just hit the old delete button and get rid of them all and be done.